Alright, once you've located the drain plug for your transaxle case, you can take, on this particular vehicle, an Allen wrench and remove it. About, I would guess, at 60 to 70% of the vehicles out there will have a drain plug on the transaxle. You'll notice that vehicles that have a drain plug on the transaxle themselves have a very small transmission oil pan. Remove the plug and allow the fluid to drain out real slowly into our pan. We're going to let it drain until it's almost entirely out. It'll sit there and drip for an extremely long amount of time. So once we have it down to the point where it's just dripping, we'll go ahead and reinstall the drain plug. Alright, as you can see, we've got the vast majority of the fluid out of the transaxle case. We just drip in there. I'm going to take and reinstall the case drain plug. It's your typical lefty-loosey kind of plug. Screw it down clockwise and tighten it up with my Allen wrench. Be sure not to over-torque it. You are screwing a steel plug into an aluminum threaded case, and you can damage it that way. And right there. That is the proper way to drain your transaxle case.